everybody, and welcome back with your favorite trip touristic guide, Let's Locals. Today we are strolling in the lovely Beijing Hutongs, also known as alleys. In this very narrow street, normal people still live nowadays. Hutongs also represent part of the folkloristic heritage of China. Actually, people like to live a simple life here. They love talking with their neighbors because they have a very close relationship. They like enjoying the company of their pets, which are usually birds. And also they love playing chess. Clearly Chinese chess. Life in China nowadays is very convenient, but actually life in Hutongs it is even more. Hutongs were first built by the Yuan dynasty around 800 years ago. That's a long time, isn't it? In Hutongs, from a pharmacy to a supermarket, nowadays you don't need to walk much to find what you're looking for. But this principle of self-sufficiency was actually brought to Hutongs because at that time, Hutongs were isolated from the rest of the city, because of a reason of safety of the people who were living there. Strolling around this lovely Beijing Hutongs, you'll find many handmade curved bricks, like this one. This brick is very representative of the life in past times here in China. Once upon a time, people in China had much more free time than today. Today, you know, in a big city as Beijing, life is much busier and people wouldn't have time to produce such high levels of craftsmanship. Carved stones are nowadays actually produced in factory chains, in series. As you see, their lines are neater than the handmade ones. But this doesn't make them as special as the ancient ones, which still preserve a folkloristic aspect of the life here in Beijing. And we are now approaching Maid Diagonal Street. This street has a very special name. It actually comes from the name of the very famous matchmaker. People who came after her actually, at the communist time, renamed the street with her name in her honor and memory. We now arrive in a very special place. The building standing behind my shoulder, Qingyunge, is a building which was built in 1918 at the end of the Qing dynasty. This building was formerly a tea house where famous writers as Yu Xun used to gather together to discuss about politics, poetry, art and other topics. Later on, with the years, this place was adopted into a hotel. Actually, there's a main story who occurred here, and it's a very romantic one. A prostitute who used to work around here actually saved a very famous general who then made a long career in the army for the country. Here ends our trip for today, guys. If you like the video, put a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Let's Locals. Follow us in the next adventure. See you in the next video.